How to repair Samsung S20 burning line. Use a microscope. This is where it burned out. You need to peel off the glue on the surface first. Use a sharp blade. Just remove the glue from the surface. Don't hurt the wiring inside. Gently scratch. Use BT02 and a clean cloth to wipe it clean. This is after peeling off the glue. We can use a laser to find the corresponding point. Look at the edge of the driver IC. It's obvious that it's burnt out. There are 5 burnt spots, but there are only 2 lines. It should be these 2 lines that are broken. We need to connect the broken wires together. And we kept looking up. This one is 2390. The one next to it is 2389. Is this line. This one and this one too. Remember 2389. Use a 50x lens. Found 2389. Here 2390 next to 2389. Make the wiring clear. We need to modulate the energy. It is impossible to determine how much energy is used. Turn the power down first. Slowly increase energy. Not all screens use the same amount of energy. We need to test the appropriate energy. Select the pulse mode and step on it a few more times. You can make the box smaller. Don't break the line. The energy is a bit high. Reduce the border. This is suitable. You can hit more points. Pulse mode stepping point. Hit more points. The adhesion will be higher. Just keep hitting the point. Then jump in a group and hit the 4 wires in a group. Two more sets here. How do you know in what case? How many groups do you have to jump? Look how many points have been burned. The screen burned 5 dots. But for 5 points, I'm not sure which line is broken. I put 2 points. I'll patch them together. And then jump another set. Use conductive silver paste. Just a little bit, then find the position where you just hit. Apply conductive silver paste. When applying conductive silver paste, the blade can't touch the line. Then use an air gun to dry it directly. Okay, it's dry. Then we test it again. The line has disappeared. Then use ideal insulating glue or blue glue. Just dot some of this glue. Apply it to the previous position. This function is to solidify the conductive silver paste. Apply directly on the heating table. If the temperature is 100 degrees, 90 degrees will do. The function is to heat and fix. Wait about a minute. It's already dried. The screen is fixed. After curing, the probability of a rebound will be lower. If you don't cure it, the rebound force will be higher.